Okay, here it is, the Alibaba MC-202 machine. Servo motor with the electronic control, which is really nice. Mine doesn't have that. And it sews. Good. I like it so far. The belt's a little too big, so I need to get a smaller belt. And then there's 2 holes drilled in the table to bolt the machine to the table, and I can't get them to line up. They seem to be a little bit narrower than the holes in the machine head, so I think I need to make one of the holes a little wider. And I'll give a more detailed review later, but so far it seems like a good buy.